everyone loses hair, right? It is normal to lose about 50 to 150 hairs every day. The question is, how can we retain those other 100,000 hairs? Well, if follicles are still intact and have not been closed or scarred, there is still hope. A new hair begins to grow immediately after it is plucked from a healthy follicle. Let's look at a few household items that can be used to help us achieve those strong, healthy manes we've always dreamed of. Number 1 are eggs. Eggs are rich in vitamin B and B5, ensuring hair growth and adequate blood flow to your scalp. This food item prevents thinning and hair loss. However, it is pretty sloppy and gross to apply, but it's well worth the benefits. Number 2, avocados. There are a ton of vitamins in avocados that the hair and scalp loves, like vitamins A, D, E, and B6. Then there's protein, magnesium, iron, and the list goes on. One drawback is latex contained in avocado, which can cause irritation on sensitive scalp. Number 3, rice water. Rice water has antioxidant properties that help get rid of toxins in the scalp. It contains lots of nutrients for your follicles and repairs damaged cells. Now the smell, well, but if rinsed out properly, that should not be a problem. Number 4, coconut oil. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft deeply and provides more moisture than most other oils, and it is able to prevent loss of protein in the hair. Just know, too much coconut oil can make your hair greasy. The protein buildup can block off the moisture, potentially making your hair more prone to breakage. Number 5, apple cider vinegar. This household item can create a healthy scalp by balancing the pH levels. It alleviates itchiness by killing off bacteria and guards against future scalp infections. Be careful. If you have sores or irritation on the scalp, apple cider vinegar can sting. Number 6, castor oil. Vitamin E found in castor oil is known for aiding in hair health. Castor oil is moisturizing, making it a great benefit for those with thick, dry, coarse hair. Because of its thick consistency, it can be quite daunting to wash off castor oil. Therefore, you will need to shampoo multiple times to completely remove it. Lastly, number 7, aloe vera. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, E, B12, and folic acid. These vitamins boost the growth of new cells on the scalp and act as a natural hair conditioner. Aloe vera also acts as a humectant and draws moisture from the air. To avoid allergic reaction, you probably won't want to use these items altogether. Each person should find the perfect combination and balance of these items to meet their individual scalp needs and overall health. Please comment below which items are helping you achieve your hair goals. Thanks for watching.